Hello students, welcome to the new session. So in the last class we were discussing about direct, indirect, active, passive and other kind of things. So in this class we will speak about word formation. So how some kind of words are formed. So we know that words can be easily formed by attaching prefixes, suffixes to the root word. Prefixes and suffixes are together called affixes. So a prefix is an addition at the beginning of a word. A suffix is an addition at the end of a word. So, for example, consider a verb, please. For example, adding a prefix this to this root word gives an antonym displease, or else dropping the final e and adding the suffix ant gives an adjective pleasant, or else adding the prefix un to the adjective gives the antonym unpleasant. In the same way, if we add ing pleasing, in the same way, if we add the word this in the beginning of a word displeasing. So in this way we can make many words. So now we want to speak about prefixes. As we said, prefixes are words that are placed in front of a word or a root word. For example, there are some examples which are given in your textbook, page number 149. That is, prefix X is added to um, the word president. It becomes previous or former, ex-president, or inter between, or inter means school, I mean between, meaning is between, like inter school, or semi half. Semi means half, which means semicircle. Auto, which means by oneself or itself. For example, autobiography. Antisocial, disrespect, deactivate, sub-inspector, upstream, transatlantic. So all these words had, all these prefixes are added in front of the word and became a new word. So that is all about the prefixes. And here, these prefixes help to form antonyms like this, in, un, ir, il. All these prefixes are added in front of the word in order to make antonyms, or else we can say the opposite of the root or the same word. And these prefixes help to form verbs. For example, en, em, im, for, and so on. And there are also some exercises which are given in your textbook, so you can find answer by yourself, or else towards the end of the class we will be giving the PDF for the same. And now we move on to speak about the suffixes. What is suffixes? Suffixes are words that are placed at the end of a sentence in order to make another, what we can say, another meaning altogether. For example, able is added at the end of a change, it become changeable. IBLE, that is able, is added at the end of a word and it became responsible. Quality, with the quality we add, for example, with the care we add full, it become careful. Democracy, ENT, LY, ITI, ENC, OUS, IOUS, ATION, IATION. So all these words are added at the end of a word in order to make another meaning of the same. And suffixes also form noun. For example, person. For example, or or er is added, which means paint. Instead of paint, if you add er with it, it becomes painter. Or else, if we add dom at the end of word, what happens? It becomes freedom. Uh, for example, if we add ship with a leader, it becomes leadership. So all these things are the nouns, like growth, secularism, calmness, and other kind of things. And also suffixes also from adjective, like if we add ish or some, worthy, like, uh, able, full, ous, and all the other kind of things, if we add, it becomes a adjective, that like devilish, troublesome, trustworthy, lifelike, reversible, hopeful, vigorous, and so on. So that is with regard to suffixes. And now we see compound words. What are these compound words? Or compound noun or compound adjective or verb, whatever it is. It means two or three words are added together in order to make a sentence. For example, mother plus land becomes motherland. Fire plus engine, it is fire engine. Strong plus hold, stronghold. Soft plus bold, soft bold, that is adjective plus noun. And gerund plus noun, that is drawing plus room, drawing room. Walking plus stick, walking stick. Then we have propositional plus noun, verb plus noun, lock up, let down, verb plus adverb plus verb, that is income, in plus in plus come income, out plus put output. So all these are compound words. There are also compound adjectives like bottle green, bloodthirsty, bedridden, uh, fault finding, half open, bright red, and other kind of things. And also we have a noun plus participle, that is time, serving, heartbreaken, heartbroken, and so on. And we have also compound verbs like noun verb, noun plus verb like force feed, uh, earn mark, then adjective plus the verb, that is safeguard, safeguard, adverb plus verb, upset, and other kind of things. So this is all about or and also we have blend words. Blend words means the words which comes together and make a new word. For example, smoke and editorial, it becomes soundscape. It is advertisement plus software. So there are different kinds of examples which are there for blend words. So it is given in your textbook, so you can find it out and see what. So I'll be giving the exercise of all these things in the next class. Okay, thank you.